Welcome back to my channel Neelu's Classroom. आओ कुछ नया सीख.
Count the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lemons. 1 butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pineapples. 1, 2, 2 tomatoes. 1, 2, 3. 3 cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pumpkins. 1, 2, 2 lemons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yo-yos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 umbrellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sandwiches. 1 tractor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 butterflies. 1 airplane. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pineapples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. 10 dices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 honeybees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 caps. 1, 2,